Hello everybody and welcome to Them Fest. Today we have this Q4 E-Tron and we are at Audi M. de Koning in Capelle aan de IJssel, and they provided us with this car. We're going to take you on the POV drive. Yeah, so enjoy.
Look at this amazing steering wheel. This is the coolest thing about this car. Hello, mister. The turning radius is so sharp on this thing. All right, there we go. It's already the 6th car that we are making a video of today, and it's the 3rd Audi.
And it's the cheapest.
Is it the cheapest?
Because it doesn't have a
Charger
for the phone, and the phone is 4%.
Oh, that's nice.
Hier naar rechts, hier naar rechts. Gaan we even daar, dan kan je 2 keer die rotonde nemen. Heb ik 2 flyby shots, is het oké. Dus je hoeft ook niet 4 keer heen en weer te gaan.
Alright, so the Q4 E-Tron. So this is a mid-size SUV. And I think it is the 150 brake horsepower.
I think too, but I can check because otherwise the phone
is dead. But I do know a bit about the specs. So you have either a 150 brake horsepower motor or a 150 kilowatts. So that's 204 brake horsepower. And then you can also opt for the dual motor version, which is around 300 horsepower. But I think this is 204. But in terms of the interior, they are pretty similar. So we have the very cool hexagonal steering wheel, as you can see here, which is the biggest design feature of this car, I think. And we have some carbon fiber right here. That's really nice. And
carbon fiber.
It is a little screen, but still it's nice. We have a virtual cockpit, as you can see right here. So, Rob.
But I think this is more like aluminium or
Is
something.
it not carbon fiber?
No, it's not carbon fiber. It's no carbon fiber. Okay, drop me off.
Alright, we're going to drop Rob off for the flyby.
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 Good.
And he's dripping again. There we go. So guys, did you actually know that this car is the equivalent of the Volkswagen ID.4 and ID.5? So This shares the same platform, the modular electric something, the MEB platform of Volkswagen. So we have modular design across the range, and these are sister models, and that's why we find the same engines as well. And I guess this is also a 77 kilowatt hour battery pack, delivering pretty good range. Right now we are at 75% and we have 325 kilometers of range left. So that's 400 real range kilometers, real life range kilometers, which is, yeah, it's actually okay. We have flappy pedals as well, and we can adjust the regen braking. And there is Mr. Rob for a flyby. And also in this car we have a combination of buttons and screens, which I think is the best. So that is also very, very nice. And I have to say, apart from the fact that this steering wheel does look very cool, it also feels great in the hand. And did I mention that this car has rear wheel drive, which makes it extremely fun in tight corners. And there we have Mr. Rob again. Alrighty! So what do you think about the Audi Q4 E-Tron?
So it's a very nice car for the SUV type. It's not that big, it's also not very small. So you have a perfect mid-size SUV. Yeah, all the qualities are good and great. You have place for some pets in the back and also your kids in the back. You have a cool design, a nice steering wheel.
Yeah, indeed.
You sit very, very decent. It's comfortable. So yeah, it's an electric car, so you don't have to buy gas or something.
Is it fast?
It is decently fast.
Yeah, I mean it's quick.
Yeah,
it's all right for just regular driving.
Yeah.
So
overall, a very, very good car.
Very much. So guys, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video.
Ciao.
Ciao.